Namaste everybody, my name is Vivan.
और मेरा नाम जय है.
And here we have the cooking show.
Today, we will bring you some of the most amazing holiday dishes that you'll find.
But before we get into it, Jay has some facts to share.
Wait a minute. I do?
Yes, you do.
Okay, here are some facts about the holidays. Did you know that snow falls from 1 to 6 feet a second?
Whoa, that is quick. Tell me another.
The highest snowfall ever recorded in one day dropped 6.3 feet of snow in 1921. That was 100 years ago.
Well, those were some amazing facts. Now, let's go to...
Wait. I'm not finished yet. I have a joke too.
Okay, do tell.
How do you clean your hands during the holidays? With sanitizer. Ha 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 ha.
That is so bad. That is actually good.
I'm very funny, as you may know.
Maybe you're too funny. We should probably move on.
What is your favorite thing to do during the holidays?
For me, it's mostly just waking up late. What about you?
I just like relaxing.
You know, since you're so funny, I got a joke for you.
Oh, you think you can take on me? The punny guy?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, fine. Hit me.
What goes oh ho ho? Santa walking backwards.
No. You know what? It's fine. You got me. Okay? You won this round, but you won't win the next one. Got that?
There isn't another round.
Okay.
Well, now let's go to Jay. The reporter besides me will be showing us how to make some amazing bacon shrimp wraps.
Hi everyone. Welcome back to the cooking show on episode 3. As you all may know, we're doing the holiday theme. So I have my holiday themed recipe here. It is called bacon wrapped shrimp. Now, I will show you how I already did this, but basically what you want to do is use these ingredients. 1 juice of lemon, 1 clove of garlic, grated, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon fresh thyme, 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, kosher salt, 1 pound of large shrimp, or about 24 large shrimps. They're not all here because I've already started working on this a little bit. And 12 pieces of bacon halved. So I will show you how all of this was done. So the way you get all of this, let me put this one back in there. So the way you get this marinade is you use the lemon juice and the paprika and the clove of garlic grated and the fresh thyme and the kosher salt and the olive oil. You mix all of that up. The amount of it was in the last segment, but yeah. Basically, you'll mix all of that up and then you'll put all the shrimp into a little bowl. You'll put the marinade into the bowl and then you'll put the shrimp into the bowl. And I'd say let the shrimp sit in the marinade for about 20 minutes so then it can marinate properly. And you have the bacon. And let's get cooking. Oh, hey there. So, as you see here, I have a bunch of the shrimp done already. Basically, the tactic you want to use to make this go really fast is you will poke your toothpick that you have into the shrimp. You'll push the shrimp through, and you'll use your bacon, and you'll push it through once it goes through there. And there you go. You have one of these. Now, if you want to actually wrap these, I suggest don't make it crispy because I made mine crispy. But yeah, if you want to make your own, try to make floppy bacon because it works much better for wrapping than crispy bacon. So yeah. So I have used up all the marinade. I have put the toothpicks in here and I have finished the job, but we're not done yet. You know why? Because we need to bake these. So you're going to bake these in your oven for 5 minutes, I'd say, and heat them around 300 degrees, and yeah. Okay, so I've taken these out of the oven, and here we are. They look delicious, but they're very hot, so I don't want to touch them yet. But I hope this recipe was, fun for you to make. I hope you enjoy making it. If you do, I really think you should because these are really easy to make. So, I'm going to eat one of these for you guys, just for you to show you how much I like these. So, here we go. That was delicious. You guys should really make these. Anyways, thank you for watching. And see you next time on the cooking show. Bye-bye, and happy holidays. Well, I really like that shrimp wrap that I made.
Yeah, you did pretty well.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for saying you're welcome.
Okay, I have a fun fact.
Okay, what?
Did you know that Jingle Bells was the first song played in space?
Whoa, space?
Yeah, space.
Okay. Maybe you'll be just as wild as I am when Vivon shows you how to make a holiday fruitcake.
Namaste everybody, my name is Vivan Datta and today I will be showing you how to make some amazing holiday fruitcake. Here are the required ingredients in order to make it. We have some flour, sour cream, sugar, orange that is zested, I already zested it, chopped walnuts, chopped dates, raisins, dried cranberries, baking soda, salt, already melted butter, and 1 egg. First, we will preheat our oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, we will grease our 9x5 loaf pan, which I already did, which should look something like this. First, we will combine our sour cream and our baking soda together. So let me quickly do that. And you have to mix it. And we can keep that aside. Then, you can get the flour and combine it with all of these nuts. So let me quickly just do that. Make sure to try and put all of the nuts that you can. Then you have to mix it. Oops, I actually kept some left. And then you have to mix it. I will see you guys when I finish mixing. Now that I mixed my flour and my nuts, let's keep them aside. Now, let's mix the butter and the sugar together until they're fluffy. See you in a few. After mixing your butter and sugar, let's add our egg and then mix. After mixing the egg, add the orange zest into the mix. Okay, now let's add the baking soda and sour cream in previous mix into the mix. Now make sure to mix it. After mixing all of those ingredients together, time to add our mixed nuts and flour into the mix alongside with the salt. Now quickly mix this. Now let's add all of the flour. Now mix all of the ingredients together. After mixing, now let's put all of this mix into the loaf pan. We'll all do that. And after all your mix is into the baking pan, put it into your oven for approximately 1.5 hours. See you after it's baking. Bye. Okay, I just got it out of the oven and I flipped it upside down, so it's time to see. Whoa. Make sure to try this and I hope so you enjoyed this cooking thing. Now, back to Jay and Yvonne. Hope so you like it.
Nice fruitcake, Yvonne.
Thank you.
Anyways, that will conclude our amazing cooking show episode. We know what we are doing over winter break, right, Vivon?
Yeah, trying all these amazing recipes. We hope you know what you're doing over winter break, and see you next time.
Just remember that anyone can cook and have a happy holidays.
Bye.
Bye.